have spent the warmer months anyway of the year together in one Croatian town.
Back in 2001, poachers injured the female bird, so she had to stay put in Croatia and not make the annual winter migration to Africa. So every year around this time, the male bird flies back, reunites with his love, and then they just sit there like they've been doing right there in that video.
Since
Just sitting there.
2011. No one ever said that marriage has to be exciting, right? All right, so getting your kids into college, that's the first hurdle you have to go over.
Good morning.
Study abroad, well, that's a whole other thing.
So once
Oh.
you